Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show how to enable the Reduce Motion feature on the Instagram app on your PC using the latest update. If you've noticed too many animations or just prefer a smoother, less distracting experience while browsing Instagram, this setting can make a big difference. It's especially helpful if you want a cleaner interface or if motion effects feel overwhelming. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're inside the app, look over to the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find different navigation options like Home, Search, and Messages. At the bottom of this menu, click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up additional options. From the menu that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all customization and control features for your account. Inside Settings, find and select the Accessibility option. This section is designed to improve your overall experience by giving you more control over how the app looks and behaves. Now, look for the option labeled Reduce Motion. Once you find it, simply toggle it on. That's it. With Reduce Motion enabled, Instagram will limit animations and visual transitions, giving you a more static and distraction-free experience while using the app on your PC. This can be especially useful if you spend a lot of time on Instagram or prefer a more minimal interface. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tips and tutorials to get the most out of your favorite apps.